How to transfer USDT from your SafePal wallet to Binance using your seed phrase and ensuring it's done securely. 1. Understand the importance of your seed phrase. Your seed phrase, like air carpet target dish, is the master key to your SafePal wallet. Anyone with this phrase can access your wallet and its funds. It's crucial you don't share this with anyone. Since you already have access to your wallet and its seed phrase, you have full control of your funds, even if you lost your phone or reinstalled the app. 2. Reinstall or access the SafePal wallet app. If you still have the SafePal app installed and set up, open it. If not, download the official SafePal app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Avoid using any third-party or unofficial versions to prevent scams or phishing attempts. 3. Restore your wallet using the seed phrase. Once you open the SafePal app, choose the option to import wallet or recover wallet. Enter your 12-word seed phrase in the exact order you have it. The app will then restore your original wallet, giving you access to all the tokens stored in it, including USDT. 4. Confirm USDT token is visible after restoring the wallet. Check whether USDT is showing in your token list. If not, you might need to manually add it by selecting the plus or add token option and searching for USDT. Make sure you're on the correct blockchain network, TRC20, ERC20, or BEP20, the one your USDT is actually stored on. 5. Identify the USDT network type. USDT exists on multiple blockchains: Ethereum ERC20, Binance Smart Chain BEP20, and Tron TRC20. Go to the SafePal wallet and tap on USDT to see which network it's using. This is crucial because sending USDT via the wrong network to Binance can result in loss of funds or complications. 6. Log into your Binance account now. Open the Binance app or website and log into your account. If you don't already have one, you'll need to register using your email or phone number and complete any necessary identity verification (KYC) to enable deposits and trading features. 7. Navigate to the deposit section on Binance. In Binance, tap on Wallet at the bottom, then select Deposit. Choose Crypto, then search for and select USDT. Binance will show several deposit network options like ERC20, TRC20, and BEP20. Choose the same network that matches your SafePal USDT token. Must match exactly. 8. Copy the Binance USDT deposit address. After selecting the right network, Binance will generate a deposit address, a long string of letters and numbers. Tap Copy Address. This is where you will send your USDT from SafePal. Again, ensure the network matches. If your SafePal USDT is on TRC20, use Binance's TRC20 address. 9. Open SafePal and initiate transfer. Go back to your SafePal app and tap on your USDT token. Choose Send. Then paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient address field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Double check everything, especially the network and address, before proceeding. 10. Pay network fees and confirm. Depending on the network, TRC20, ERC20, or BEP20, you will need a small amount of the native token, e.g., TRX for TRC20, ETH for ERC20, BNB for BEP20, to pay the transaction fee. Ensure you have a small balance of this token in your wallet. Confirm the transaction and wait for the blockchain to process it. 11. Track the transaction status after sending. You can track your transaction status in the SafePal app or via a blockchain explorer, e.g., Tronscan for TRC20, Etherscan for ERC20. It may take a few minutes to reflect in Binance. Once confirmed, you'll see the USDT appear in your Binance wallet under Funding or Spot Wallet. 12. What to do next? Now that your USDT is in Binance, you can use it to trade for other cryptocurrencies, withdraw it to another wallet, convert it to fiat INR, USD, etc., or use it for staking or earning interest. Just make sure to always double-check addresses, networks, and amounts to avoid mistakes. And never share your seed phrase with anyone, not even Binance support. If you found this video helpful, support us by hitting the subscribe button. It helps us grow and keeps us motivated to bring you more valuable content.